Today on 60-second favourites, we're going to be taking a look at the Aquip'd 66 range of weatherproof sockets and switches by Click. So let's get these unboxed and take a deeper look. The Aquip'd 66 range can be used all year round for outdoor appliances such as lawn mowers, pools, ponds, jet washers. We have multiple gland entry positions to make it easier for people installing these products. Another feature we include are the rubber gaskets, and these sit on the back of the product to give a weatherproof seal against rough surfaces. Here we have the 1 and 2 gang weatherproof switches. These are available as 10 amp or 20 amp, and you can actually have these unfurnished so you can make your own switching solutions using either the Mini Grid or Grid Pro modules. Here we have the 1 and 2 gang 13 amp double pole socket outlets. We do offer these enclosures unfurnished to suit your requirements, and they have a hinged lockable lid, meaning your connection is safe from theft and anti-tampering. We also offer these units with semi-transparent lids. This allows you to see the neon indicator if power is going to the unit. All of our Aquip'd 66 enclosures are made from polycarbonate construction. They're UV rated and IP66 rated, so they're ideal for all outdoor environments. Thank you for watching today's episode of 60-second favourites. Please check out our website at scolmore.com. We'll put a link in the description. And if you like these kind of videos, please make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification button below.